Ever tried sneezing with your eyes open? It's almost impossible. That's because your body automatically shuts them to protect your eyes from the pressure. It's like a little built-in reflex shield. Cool, right? Imagine the surprise when you realize that your body has this automatic response to keep your eyes safe. The next time you feel a sneeze coming on, think about how your eyes instinctively close to protect themselves from the sudden pressure. Isn't it amusing to think about how our bodies are wired to protect us? The next time you prepare for a sneeze, just remember that instinctive little shield your eyes put up.